For 40 years, we were sold a promise. Go to university, get a degree, and land a safe corporate job. If you sat in an air-conditioned office, sent emails, and managed a small team, you were set for life. But in 2025, that safety net has been shredded. We are entering the white-collar recession, and unlike previous economic crashes, the jobs disappearing today are not coming back. According to a brutal new report from Gartner, by 2026, 20% of companies will use AI to flatten their structures, eliminating more than 50% of middle management positions. That is half of all managers gone in 12 months. Here is why the middle-class manager is facing extinction. Reason number one, the router problem. For decades, middle managers were essentially expensive routers. They took information from the executives, packaged it, and sent it to the employees. Then they took reports from the employees, packaged them, and sent them to the executives. AI now does this instantly, accurately, and for free. Dashboards, automated reporting, and AI analysis have made the human router obsolete. Companies are realizing they are paying people $100,000 a year to forward emails. Reason number two, the rise of agents. 2023 was the year of the chatbot. 2025 is the year of the agent. An AI agent doesn't just talk, it acts. It can schedule meetings, negotiate procurement deals, and hire freelancers without human intervention. McKinsey reports that autonomous agents will soon handle 90% of B2B transactions. If your job involves coordination or oversight, you are not competing with a human anymore. You're competing with software that works 24/7. Reason number three, the return of the doer. The economy is shifting back to tangible value. In this new world, the person who builds the product is valuable. The person who sells the product is valuable. But the person who manages the people doing the work, they are a luxury item that companies can no longer afford. So what is the solution? You must stop being a generalist and become a specialist. Gartner predicts that by 2026, companies will require AI-free skills assessments, testing for critical thinking and complex strategy that AI cannot mimic. The era of the email job is over. The era of the builder has begun. Subscribe to Venture Alpha and stay ahead of the curve.